Okay, so we have this video has the intention of showing our findings on two pumps returned under RMA 9818 from Marfeed. These are two pumps, and the model is the 6840 2J03 B224. These pumps are, according to our specifications, should have a bypass of 110 psi, and when run at 80 psi, they should give you a minimum flow of 500 milliliters per minute. So we have two pumps, serial number. We have serial number 3824543, which we will test first. And then we will test the second pump, serial number 3787178. These pumps were sent back to us with the instructions that when this pump was assembled and plugged in at end users on August 16th, it did not start. The second pump is also reported to not start, also plugged in at end users and returned due to no drawing pumping water at all. So the first thing we're going to do here is take the pumps. We're going to power them up and see how they operate. Powering with 24 volt DC. I'm sorry, 24 volt AC. We can see that the pump has started to prime. Okay, so we have an open flow now, about 1 liter per minute. Okay, so according to our specification, we're going to first adjust the bypass to 110 psi. We're going to what's called deadhead the pump, which means we're going to close the outlet valve of the pump and see where the pressure climbs. It should be 110 psi. Okay, so 110 psi, 105 psi maximum bypass. Okay, we have the maximum bypass is being achieved. What we're going to look for now is we're going to look for 80 psi, a flow of 500 milliliters per minute. So at 80 psi, we are flowing a little bit more than 500 milliliters per minute. The sound level and vibration is normal. There are no leaks in the pump. So we would conclude that this pump right here, it's drawing 593 milliamps, and it should be drawing, according to our specification, it should draw no more than 690 milliamps. So in conclusion, this pump here, serial 3824543, meets all of our specifications and is good as is. We're going to now disconnect this pump, and we will connect the other one in the same test bench. Okay, so connecting pump serial number 3787178. We're going to do the same performance. So according to our test specification, we're going to first prime the pump. It's now primed, and it's pumping about 1 liter per minute at open flow. We're going to now deadhead the pump or close the outlet valve to see what the maximum bypass is. Okay, so we're just right around 100 psi, which is sufficient. We're going to then again run the pump at 80 psi, and we need to see 500 milliliters per minute in order to meet specification. So we have 80 psi and a little bit more than 500 or 0.5 liters per minute. So this pump is running according to specification. The amp draw is 596 milliamps. So we are meeting flow pressure and amp requirements of this pump as well. Therefore, both pumps really are meeting our specification. We recommend that these are retried in the system where, again, according to the report of failure, is in one case the pump would not start and it was running intermittently, and in the other case, there was no pumping at all. No pumping at all. Both pumps are working according to specification.